parakeet. And we discourage people from using this place. If not, they will turn it to
okay, sir.
So just don't like it yet.
We're going to pray that,
this incorporate it very clearly. So it will be part of it now.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Why you this man? I know I'm making a
I can't go for you.
And beyond that, it's being done by a company called CBC. And the CBC, yes. No, it is. You can see they have not started. Yes, it has not started. They have started the bridge. Not setting up the bridge works on Ring Road 2. One passing through Karimu. So by the time this one and the next one plus the extension you are and that was the in fact the road will start from phase 1 right up to phase 3, which is the beautiful line, whatever breaking, but the blocking and more than that. Beyond this, there is some artworks that have been done. There is just no road to climb over this. But right at the artworks up to the First Avenue and then Third Avenue right up to Ring Road. Ring Road 3 is the road, the interchange just before Metropolis. That's the interchange. But the one here is keep moving. Yes, always but the level is right. Yeah, welcome, sir. The full scope development of Arterial Road Enquire from Life Camp to Ring Road 3. Basically, the road is an arterial 6-lane road. The road itself starts from central area actually. It's called N5. And it has work has progressed from the last time it came here. Artworks being done, services. If you miss that, we have a layer. For example, from here up to there, it's more than a kilometer of road. Next year, so we have a through carrying machine here. This one has some fun today. So today everything will be on average. Thank you, Excellency. We're going to these quarters. So we will go L11. Yes, this one gets there. The other one starts from the other end and connects to these quarters. So we will go there. Okay, sir. We will go there and then next year. So we have a through carrying machine here. This one has some fun today. So today everything will be on average. Thank you, Excellency. We're going to these quarters. So we will go L11. Yes, this one gets there. The other one starts from the other end and connects to these quarters. So we will go there. Okay, sir. We will go there and then just opposite NUT, Nigerian Institute of Teachers. That is the impetus, the big impetus that this is going to connect it and then give us many of those states in Kansana will duration at a work is 3 years and 6 months. This time now we're looking at the project. Yes, it was in 2023. This is what out of this will be. But 2024. The supplementary, I think there's almost 5 in the 2024. That's a payment.
Now, what do you tend to do landscaping here? What is to be done here? Landscaping. Is it road? Is it asphalt?
Asphalt.
Pavement or interlocking? That's right. And then we have the place.
Yes. We have like the royal park.
Okay, yes.
Then by the fence we can have a few.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, the
must-
fence.
by the fence.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's part of security.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry.
Nigerians, when people are talking about unemployment, look at it, look at work. You think employment is only when they employ you to work with the ministry. Look at job. Look at what's happening on the roads.
Your Excellency.
Sorry, what's this? You, yes. Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
I'm your staff now, in your office.
Which office?
Under the Secretary, Defense Unit. What else, sir? Your Excellency, sir, we have gone around with you. In fact, the last place we touched, the judges' quarters, we were highly impressed, not just for the construction work on ground, but seeing a lot of youths gainfully employed. What was the feeling like, sir?
Well, just like I've always said, that creation of employment is one of the priority areas of this Tinubu's administration. The Renewed Hope agenda, creation of employment is a top priority. And employment is not necessarily where you are employed by government. But when you create an opportunity where youths can find a place to work for their own living. Look at the number of youths, like you said, you find them. Look at all the roads we are going to. Look at the number of people that are employed. So I feel happy that at least we have been able to engage youths. And nothing can make you more comfortable when you see your youths are engaged. You can imagine when these jobs are not there, what the number of youths would have been doing by now. So one is very, very happy that we are approaching the opportunity that have given employment to our youths.
Your Excellency, the quality of work on ground, can you just tell us your appraisal on the quality you have seen?
Just like what we said last time, for the past 3 days, you will imagine that we've been in the satellite towns and you can see the quality of job that's going on there. Today, we're in the city, and also that the same thing we're giving out to the city, it is the same quality we're giving out to the satellite town. The first place our last camp went is Johannesburg, and look at the work that one is impressed. The second phase we went to is a CGC, and you know that they are very competent. Look at the kind of equipment they have on ground. By the time all those roads are completed, you would imagine what the city will look like. Then we are here, and you can also see that the contractors on site. Look at the law school, the judges' quarters. I mean, you feel happy, and one can tell you that nothing makes us happy that people are happy that we are delivering the dividends of democracy.
Your Excellency, embarking on that project, given the kind of criticism that have...
Who are those who are criticizing? I don't think of that. I am not bothered. But once you have the presidential approval to go ahead and by the backing of the National Assembly, what's my business about those who are criticizing? These are people who, even when you give them the opportunity, they cannot do anything. So forget about those criticisms. If you have not done it, they will sit are the ones that will complain that the environment within which our judges and justices are working is not conducive. Now you are trying to provide an environment that will make them well. They will say, oh, it's another reason. So you don't bother yourself and move on and do your work. So I'm not bothered about the so-called criticism. It does not exist where I am.
Okay, Honorable Minister, sir, sense of fulfillment, see how you are impacting the lives of the people of the FCT.
Certainly in government, when people appreciate, it means that indeed you are touching their lives. And when you see such reaction, it makes you work harder. Because what is the sense of governance? It's for you to see how people can be impacted positively, how you can change their life. And you see when people appreciate that, of course it tries to encourage you to do more. And that's what every leadership, what leadership is all about. Anywhere we go to, see how happy they are. It means they appreciate the government is doing something. And then you who is supervising, you're also happy that people acknowledge that something is going on.
Your Excellency, sir, you have changed all these projects simultaneously, sir.
Well, it depends, with the team you're working with. For me, I have always said, we will look for funds. And prudent management of fund is key. And when we don't have the funds, we don't need to award contracts. It doesn't matter the pressure that may come. Like I said, you can't solve all the problems at the same time. Identify the ones you can carry on and finish. Not to just have awarded 20 contracts. At the end of the day, how many have you finished? One. And people begin to criticize you. So even if it's only one you have awarded, and say, look, I've awarded this, and I must make sure this contract is completed. So for us, it's commitment. You see that the president has given us all the necessary support, and we all know we don't have any excuses at all to say this is why this cannot be done. We have a good team who is committed, and then with the management of our resources, we're able to carry out these projects simultaneously.